A cheerful good morning to one and all present here. We, the students of Class 6C, would like to present our class assembly on the topic of World Olympic Day. So let's know about World Olympic Day. World Olympic Day is observed on 23rd June all around the world by hundreds of thousands of people. Old and young participate on sport activities such as runs, exhibitions, music, and educational seminars. Olympic Day is also an international celebration to commemorate the birth of modern Olympic Games and the Olympic spirit.
The Olympic Games, which originated in ancient Greece as many as 3000 years ago, were revived in the late 19th century and have become the world's preeminent sporting competition. From the 8th century BC to the 4th century AD, the Games were held every 4 years in Olympia in honor of the god Zeus. The first modern Olympics took place in 1896 in Athens and featured 280 participants from 13 nations, competing in 43 events. The Olympic Games are an international sports festival that began in ancient Greece. The revival of the Olympic Games took place in 1896, and since then they have been staged every fourth year except during the World War I and World War II. Perhaps the basic difference between the ancient and modern Olympics is that the ancient Greeks' way of saluting their gods, whereas the modern games are a manner of saluting the athletic talents of citizens of all nations. In 1924, a Winter Olympics was included to be held at a separate cold weather sports site in the same year as the Summer Games. New sports are added to the roster at every Olympic Games. The Olympic oath was introduced in 1920.
Two unique and well-known symbols of the Olympic Games, the five rings and the flaming torch, carry a particularly strong significance to Olympic values. So let's know about it.
The Olympic rings are 5 interlocking rings, colored blue, yellow, black, green and red on a white field. The symbol was originally created in 1913 by Coubertin. These rings represent the 5 continents: Europe, Asia, America, Africa and Oceania. These rings also reflect a world bonded together by the goals of Olympus.
The idea of the Olympic torch or Olympic flame was first inaugurated in 1928 Olympic Games in Amsterdam. The Olympic flame is a symbol used in the Olympic movement. It is also a symbol of continuity between ancient and modern games. Several months before the Olympic Games, the Olympic flame is lit at Olympia, Greece. The ceremony starts the Olympic torch relay, which formally ends with the lighting of the Olympic cauldron during the opening ceremony of the Games until it is extinguished during the Olympic closing ceremony.
The Olympic Games begin and end with big celebrations, important ceremonies in which various rituals express the identity of the Games. Today, these rituals are the part of protocol of the Games.
Opening ceremony of the Games. The entry of the athletes into the stadium with their delegations in alphabetical order, except for Greece, which goes first, and the host country, which brings up the rear. The declaration of the opening of the Games by the head of state of the host country. The address by the Games Organizing Committee President. The speech by the IOC President. The entry of the Olympic flag into the stadium. The Olympic anthem. The symbolic release of doves. The oath sworn by an athlete and an official from the host country. The entrance of the flame and lighting of the cauldron.
Closing ceremony of the Olympic Games includes handing over the Olympic flag to the next Olympic host city, gathering of the athletes in the stadium, extinguishing of the flame, the declaration of the closing of the Games by the IOC President.
IOC stands for International Olympic Committee. Let us know about it from Anahita. Over to you, Anahita.
The International Olympic Committee, or the IOC, is a non-governmental sports organization based in Lausanne, Switzerland. Founded by Pierre de Coubertin and Demetrius Viklas in 1894, it is the authority responsible for organizing the modern summer and winter Olympic Games. The stated mission of the IOC is to promote the Olympics throughout the world and lead the Olympic movement. The IOC organizes the modern Olympic Games and the Youth Olympic Games, also known as the YOGs, held in summer and winter every 4 years. Until 1992, both the Summer and Winter Olympics were held in the same year. After that year, however, the IOC shifted the Winter Games to the even years between the Summer Games to help space the planning of the two events from one another. During each proclamation at the Olympics, announcers speak in different languages. French is always spoken first, followed by an English translation, and then the dominant language of the host nation. The IOC received approval in November 2015 to construct a new headquarters in Midi-Lausanne.
Let's cherish this moment by Olympic theme song played by Amish and Tanvi in Casio and followed by a beautiful rap song by Arush.
The Olympic Games started long ago. The Olympic Games started in Greece, you know. The Olympic Games now the world will come. The Olympic Games are for everyone. The Olympic torch will be shining bright. The Olympic torch will be shining bright. It burns for peace through day and night. It burns for peace through day and night.
All the flags of the world will be flying free. The athletes are proud of their country. The Olympic Games are long ago. The Olympic Games are Greece, you know. The Olympic Games all the world will come. The Olympic Games are for everyone. The athletes take Olympic clothes. They participate fair and the good exposed. The Olympic symbol has 5 color rings. Now all the people of the world are together sing. The Olympic Games are long ago. The Olympic Games are Greece, you know. The Olympic Games are the world will come. The Olympic Games of everyone.
To keep the momentum, let's know more about the International Olympic Day by Amish and Athar.
History of World Olympic Day. On 23 June 1894, delegates from 12 countries gathered at the Sorbonne, Paris, to support Pierre de Coubertin's proposal to revive the Olympic Games. This marked the birth of the modern Olympic movement and the foundation of the International Olympic Committee. Olympic Day is based on the 3 pillars: move, learn and discover. Let's explain these pillars in details. Move. Move refers to all sorts of physical activities for all people of all ages and abilities. Olympic Day run, individual and team sports are part of it. So move is an appeal to the mass to do physical activities and be active on Olympic Day. Learn. It refers to learn the lesson of humanity, education, HIV prevention, check-in human trafficking, women empowerment, health awareness, environmental protection, peace building, local community development, friendship, and respect of all human beings. Discover. It is all about inviting and encouraging people to try new sports and activities that they have never done before. It is also an opportunity to introduce themselves to sports which they may not have an easy access to or are lesser popular in their region.
Objectives of the World Olympic Day. The goal of World Olympic Day is to promote participation in different sports throughout the world without any discrimination of gender, age and athletic ability. This day was started to increase awareness about the health and sports among general public through various methods. So, World Olympic Day is not confined to sports activities but an serious international effort to promote fitness and well-being in addition to the Olympic ideals of fair play or respect and sportsmanship across the globe.
International Olympic Day seeks Olympians, athletes, and fans from all over the world come together to promote the improvement of health through sports, Olympic run, and Olympic workout. Dear Sagarites, I request you all to please turn on your video and perform the workout steps along with us.
So now let's start with the warming exercises.
अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है, ना हारूंगी हौसला उम्र भर, ये मैंने किसी से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है। We, the students of Class 6E, extends our heartfelt gratitude towards our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Madhubala Chauhan, our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Aarti Khillan, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you to our respected HM Ma'am, Mrs. Deepika Rajbhagat, and Supervisor Ma'am, Dr. Ranjana Talwar, for their continuous support. To the class teacher, Mrs. Urmal Goyal Ma'am, for her continuous and consistent guidance. I would also like to thank our parents for their invaluable efforts for making this virtual assembly successful and enjoying this beautiful and energetic moment. खोल दे पंख मेरे, कहता है परिंदा, अभी और उड़ान बाकी है. ज़मीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, अभी पूरा आसमां बाकी है. Thank you and have a nice day.